Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see the second lesson, Media and I, Part 1. Media and I. Standard 10th, Media and I, Part 1. Let us see the introduction. The media of communication such as newspaper, television, radio, internet, mobile phones, films, etc. have become an integral part of our daily lives today. We receive information from any corner of the world because of them. With this information, it seems as if we have got the whole world in our hands. Even though this is true and important, what effect can these media have on the minds of the teenagers? It's something to muse over. So dear friends, today the media of communication such as I read newspaper, television, TV, radio, internet, mobile phones, okay, these are the things, or these are the communication or communicating things we get news from them, okay. And so today the world has become such a fast, we get the news which is happening in another country, okay. Sitting at home we can get any news from the corner of the world. So dear friends, this has a very bad impact on the teenager means from 13 to 19, okay. So they also attract, or they also get attract to use this kind of things, or to attach with these things, okay. So it is something to muse over, okay. It is something to learn over. In this age, the thought process of teenage children begins to mature. However, they still are in a confused state of mind. They should therefore be empowered to choose wisely from the varied information offered by the social and communication media. They should be able to judge if and to what extent are they getting influenced by the media. Many such aspects of this topic are explained in this chapter. So dear friends, you will come to know about the media, what is happening surround our society, okay. So let us know. Now there is a first question, what is a medium, okay. Plural is media and medium means singular, or it may be a adjective, or adjective it may be. So the plural is media. Next, nowadays we hear this term quite often. The word medium or media has different meanings. It can be used in place of words such as resources, material, tools, means, contact, etc. We will move to the activity 2.1. Create and write sentences using the word media in different place given below. So here there is a chart, media. Now the first meaning of the word is given: words, sound, tone, pronunciation. Second, where it is used, for example Marathi medium school, and what are the other things you have to write in these two lines, okay. So where you use medium, okay, Marathi medium, English medium, or where you use the word medium, there you have to write. Next, other example, check, demand, draft, etc. are the media of financial transactions, okay. So they have given 2 points, that is road and mobile phone, okay. How you can use media word in those two options you have to write. Next, importance of media. Television shows news and images from around the world. All India radio, newspaper, films. Next, types. Pictures, poems, languages are various media of expression. So stories and spoken language. Next, let us understand. Some kinds of media play the role of dissemination of information. The media that provide information to people are called information and broadcasting media. all kinds of media such as newspaper, Doordarshan, television, radio, internet, posters, documentaries, etc. do the job of broadcasting information. Thus, they are called media of communication. So, dear friends, these are the things from where we get the news, what is happening around the world. So, these are called media of communication. That media means people. Okay. So, these are the things which takes the news and provides to the people. You would have understood from the above activity that any piece of information or any event happening around the world teaches you through some medium. One or many media play a significant role in bringing that information to you. So here is the activity 2.2. How does the information reach you? Okay, write down the names of the various sources that deliver information to you. Already in the introduction there is, okay, newspaper, television, radio, internet, mobile phones, films. These are the things, these any five you can write here. Next, how do you come to know of events happening worldwide? Okay, how do you come to know? So you can write, we come to know the events happening worldwide through newspaper, television, radio, internet, mobile phones, okay, then films. This you can write. How do you come to know about new products arrived in the market? We come to know about the new products arrived in the market through television, radio, internet and newspaper. These four things you can write. Next, how do you come to know about the latest fashion trends? Okay, from where you come to know? You can write through internet, through television or through newspaper. How do you come to know about the views and ideas of famous people in your country? Through news. Okay, we come to know about the views and ideas of famous people in our country through news or through newspaper or through TV. Next, which media of communication do you use the most? Mobile. We all are using mobile, internet. Do you read newspaper? Write the names. Do you read, if you are reading newspaper, you write yes, I read newspaper. The names of the newspaper are so and so. Okay, so and so means you can write new India Times. Okay, then Mahabharat. Then again, what are the things? What are the names of the news? You can write it. Which section is section in the newspaper do you like to read? Now, dear friends, first page always you get about the headlines. Okay, headlines means you get the what are the which thing has most occurred in the country or in a world. Okay, so which there is a news about accidents. Okay, about deaths. Then later on you will get about the fashion. Okay, then last you will get about the sports. So among these, which section of the newspaper do you like to read? If it is sports, you can write sports. If it is a news, or if it is an accident, if it is a death news, you can write. Or if it is a fashion news, you can write. Next, let us discuss various media of communication. You read or watch different information and broadcasting media. All media do not necessarily provide only information to us. They also enlighten us on various other topics. So we come to know all the news through media of communication. Okay, they give us some message or some topic. Okay, so here is the 4 intents they have given. This you can read. Okay, this you can read. Then we will move to the activity 2.3. Complete the following activity to gain more information about broadcasting media. Apart from providing information, what other roles do the information and broadcasting media play? Entertainment, already they have given. Apart from providing information, okay, what other roles? Information, broadcasting media. You can write a entertainment, already they have given. You can write a serials, okay, advertisement. Then you can write god channels, okay. Then you can write different languages of movies that don't write. Fifth one, you can write about sports, okay, sports you can write. Next, write about some other section in the newspaper other than news reports. Reader's opinion. First is reader's opinion. So, to understand the question, write about some other sections in the newspaper other than news reports, okay. You can write fashion, okay, fashion, and then sports. Then two other things you can write as your own. What does an editorial column contain? So dear friends, editorial column, this information you can get from the internet, you will get easily. Next, which programs are shown on television apart from entertainment programs? Debates, news, sports. Entertainment means films, okay, films. Then music, living these things. What are the things? Debates they have shown, okay. After debates, news you can write. Third, you can write sports, okay. Then fourth and fifth you can write as you whatever you know about it. There is a list of sponsors, media partners given at the beginning of the movie. Write about the role they play in production. Understand the question, okay. See, when we are watching the TV, in the beginning of the film, okay, when we are watching the film, in the beginning of the film they give whose production it is, or who is the producer of the movie, okay. So they have to learn there is a list of sponsors, okay, one who sponsors, media partners given at the beginning of the movie. They give the names, okay, producer names, who has written, who has whose production it is, or who is the sponsor. Write about the roles they play in production. So the sponsors, who sponsors the movie, who sponsors the dramas, okay. You can write the information or about the role, okay, about the role which they play in the production. Suppose now if someone has, now we will take the example of Prabhudeva, okay. He is also producer, okay, or a sponsor. Now which movie he has made, or which movie he has brought up, that movie, in that movie what role he has played. That way you have to give one example. Next, watch the same news on different channels and note down your observation. Do all news channels show the particular news in the same manner? Why? Your answer will come no. Do all news channels show the particular news in the same manner? No. See, suppose the Aaj Tak News has got same news, okay, same news, but they tell some extra points. Rather than if you go to see another channel, they will have same news but some other ideas. So that way you have to write it. Let us have some fun. You purchase many cleansing items to clean your clothes, home, body, etc. Let us see how influenced are you while purchasing these items advertised in the media. So dear friends, now we are going to see about the advertisement, okay, in activity 2.4. How do you choose the following items? Which brand do you use for the following production? First is soap, toothpaste, hair oil, cream. Here answer they have given. You have to write according to the number. Which brand do you use? Okay, soap. Now you cannot write only soap. You have to write the name of the soap which you use at home. Okay, then toothpaste, hair oil and cream. Next, Which type of clothes do you like to wear? Choose the correct option with a tick mark. Okay, first is of latest fashion trends, clothes that suits your body type, and fashionable like movie stars. So you have to choose anyone. Next, which products do you think you must have to look beautiful? Okay, or makeup box. What are the other things which you like that you should look beautiful? Next, how did you collect information about the products mentioned in your answer for question number 1, 2 and 3? Where did you see those products? Why did you particularly choose those products? Okay, understand the question. How did you collect information about the products mentioned in your answer? So you will write, I got the information about the products on the TV or newspaper. Okay, where did you see those products? On the TV. Why did you particularly choose those products? Why you chose to use these products? You can write your own experience. Next, according to you, what qualities should a young boy or girl possess? Some qualities are given in the box below. Choose the appropriate ones or add your own. So here are the qualities they have given which are appropriate to you, that you have to write. Next, why do you think you should be just like them? Like them means who? Like heroines. Okay, why do you think you should be just like them? Okay, you have to write whatever your feeling is, you can write. Next, now this is for your group discussion, you can read it. Okay, you can read it. We will move to the next 2.5. Write which of the following products are used at your home in the boxes below. Makeup essential, which you use, your mother, grandmother, what they use, and your father and grandfather, what they use. Okay, here are 7 points. You, mother, grandmother, father, grandfather, whatever you use, write sincerely. Next, has any of your family members faced any problem in the society because they don't use some of these items? Has any of your family members faced any problems in the society because they don't use some of these problems? You can write yes and write reason. If it is no, also write reason. Next, 2.6. Tick the correct option for the following statement. First, it is advertisement that using the outfits of a particular company will make you powerful. I believe in such advertisement. Okay, once in a while there are 3 options. Okay, you have to choose anyone and then you have to write it. Likewise, there is a second, and here behind there is a third one. Okay, so this you have to choose anyone and then you have to tick mark.